Today I'd like to talk about our TGX series, which is our cross-polarized LTE external cellular antenna line. What's very exciting about this line is that each one has a multi-mount bracket, so you can through-hole mount it, you can magnetic mount it, you can use adhesive, or you can mount it to a pole. All the instructions are included in the package with each antenna, and all the mechanisms to do so are also included, from the pole mounting mechanism, the screw hole mounted mechanism, and also the suction pads. And then with this large one, there's also an option to adhesive mount it, as it comes with pads that are on the back that we'll show you in a minute. So what these mean is each cellular antenna is cross-polarized with the other, so it matches the antenna polarization and configuration of the base stations, which allows you to achieve better isolation, higher antenna efficiency, and better throughput performance. That means you can get greater download speeds in real life when you operate it with a cellular router. That's what these things are really designed for, is the latest and greatest in 4G and cellular routers. The TGX 45 is our 2x2 cross-polarized LTE, so that would be used with 4G routers. If you're using 5G, you would basically upgrade to our TGX 04, which is cross-polarized and has a 4 antenna LTE system, so a 2x2 MIMO system. You can use 2 of these with today's cellular routers, which have 8 ports for multi-carrier function, or you can, if you want just one antenna installation, you can use our TGX 08, which has 2 cross-polarized antenna systems inside. Again, it's this size because that's what's needed to achieve the best in isolation and the best in antenna efficiency. Even though it looks quite large here, it does have 8 cellular antennas inside and maintains the performance of the 45 and of the 04 in one package. That can be very convenient if you just want to have one installation point. These are all in production, they're available today, and if you want to learn more, please go to taoglas.com to see the data sheets and how you can order.